Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about downloading and installing Android development tools and software development kit by Android to start developing Android applications. We are at www.android.com and this is how this page looks like when I am recording this course. Here you can find various information about Android, but our interest is in the development and we will be going to this developers link, which is developer.android.com. Here it is. You can see all information is given about Android and its development, about Android and get SDK, the source of Android platform, the support link, and some legal information if you want to go through. Here you can find various things if you want to design Android apps, getting started, stylings, patterns, building blocks, some downloads and videos are there. If you want to develop Android apps, there are training, APIs, tools, and this is the link which is important for us right now, is get the SDK. Now SDK stands for Software Development Kit. Go to this link. Here you can find several links on the left hand side, which is developer tools, downloads and other. Our interest is in this link, which is download the SDK ADT bundle for Windows, means Android Development Tool Bundle for Windows. It is a one package that includes Eclipse and ADT plugin. Eclipse is an integrated development environment which is built upon Java, then some SDK tools, Android platform tools, and the latest Android platform, and the latest Android system image for emulator. So click on this link to download this package. After downloading that, we will go through setting up the ADT bundle. Here the instructions are given how to install the SDK and Eclipse IDE, which is very simple. We just have to unpack the zip file and save it, and then we have to open Eclipse, and the IDE is already loaded with Android development tools. So this is how we can download and install Android development tools bundle for our Android application development. Thank you.